Okay, good morning. We'll do one more problem in this lecture, just small lecture. I forgot to do this problem in the last lecture. So we'll see one more problem regarding the velocities. Okay, the question is, a cylindrical roller is in contact at its top and bottom with two conveyor belts A, B and D as shown in the figure. If the belts run at uniform speeds of 3 meter per second and 2 meter per second respectively, find linear velocity and angular velocity of roller when velocities are in same direction and direction of velocities are opposite. Diameter of roller is 40 centimeter. Okay, so what they're telling is that you have a roller, and actually this roller is not the initial thing to move. There are two rails which are moving along this direction. So what happens if these two are moving? This will also rotate, right? So initially when AB is moving in 3 meter per second and this is 2 meter per second, what will be the velocities at point P and Q, provided the diameter of the roller is 40 centimeter, that means 0.2 meter. Okay, so radius is given. So since this is moving in 3 meter per second, the velocity here will be 3 meter per second. That means Vp is equal to 3 meter per second. And here it is 2 meter per second, velocity will be Q. And you have two conditions. The first condition is 3 and 2 are acting in same direction. Second condition is if 3 is along this direction, then 2 will be along this direction. Okay, so you need to find out Vc. That means the central and last problems, all problems, Vc was given. Now here we need to find out Vc. That's all. Okay, so you know that Vc is equal to R omega. Vc is equal to radius is 0.2 into omega. That is first equation. Now for first case, that means both are in same direction. Vp and Vq are in same direction. Vp is 3 meter per second. Vp is equal to Vc plus Vpc. Vc plus Vpc, both are in same direction. Okay. Vpc is R omega, 0.2 omega towards right. It's going towards right. Now VQC. VQ is Vc plus VQC. VQC is R omega. QC, that means rotating. Here it is rotating and this is going this direction, 0.2 omega, it's towards left. So 2 is equal to Vc minus 0.2 omega. Right? Here you got these two equations. Add these two equations. 2 Vc is equal to 5. Vc is equal to 2.5 meter per second. And you will get the value of omega also from this equation. Clear? Now in the second case, what happens here? Q is along this direction. Vp is along this direction. The same thing. 3 is equal to Vc plus 0.2 omega. Here, since the direction is reversed, it becomes minus 2 equal to Vc minus 0.2 omega. That's all. The same equation that we have applied, instead of 2, it becomes minus 2. Okay, since the direction is reversed. Okay, then you find the same method. You will get omega and Vc. Vc is 0.5 meter per second and omega is 12.5 radian per second. So with that, I'm concluding this lecture series on general plane motion. Sorry, not general plane motion. General plane motion in basic method. I'm stopping the lecture here. In the next lecture we will start with instantaneous center method to find out the velocities of general plane motion. Okay, thank you.